ready to whip up the easiest, most delicious pasta you've ever had? Today, we're making a one-pot creamy garlic pasta. It's quick, simple, and packed with flavor, all while leaving you with minimal cleanup. Let's dive in. Step 1. Heat up a splash of olive oil and a big knob of butter in your favorite pot over medium heat. Once it's sizzling, toss in 6 to 8 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Pro tip: don't let that garlic burn. Aim for golden perfection. You'll know it's just right when your kitchen smells like heaven. Now it's time for some pasta magic. Pour in 4 cups of water and 1 cup of milk, stirring well. Bring it to a gentle simmer and add your uncooked pastas straight into the pot. Yep, no separate boiling here. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and watch as the pasta absorbs all that garlicky goodness. As the liquid reduces and your pasta cooks, you'll see the sauce start to thicken. Pasta perfection in the making. Once your pasta is al dente, reduce the heat and stir in half a cup of cream or extra milk. Gently mix it all together. Now for the best part, cheese. Add a generous handful of grated Parmesan and stir until it melts into the sauce. Look at that creamy, cheesy, garlicky goodness. It's a dream come true. Time to plate up. Swirl that pasta into your favorite bowl and let the creamy sauce cling to every strand. Sprinkle freshly chopped parsley on top for a pop of color and add a little more Parmesan because, let's be honest, cheese is life. Alright, let's taste this masterpiece. So creamy, garlicky, and loaded with flavor. The best part? Only one pot to clean up. Win-win. Try this one-pot creamy garlic pasta today, and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Did you add your own twist, like shrimp, chicken, or veggies? I'd love to hear your ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your channel name for more easy, delicious recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Happy cooking, and see you next time.